Hey there, car lovers. Automobile today, I've got a super cool list of classic cars that are up for sale. First up, we've got a 1977 Plymouth Fury for just $4,500. It's got 87,000 miles, automatic transmission, and it runs great. The outside is white and the inside is green. This car has a strong 318 motor, and it's perfect if you love old-school style. There's a small issue on the passenger side, but don't worry. The seller is including all the parts to fix it. For more details, link is given in the description. Next, take a look at this 1959 Edsel Ranger, also for $4,500. It's got 69,000 miles and it runs too. This classic comes with a front and brake conversion, which means it's been updated to drive a little smoother and safer. For more details, link is given in the description. Now, if you're into fun project cars, check out this 1977 Chevy Nova for $5,000. It's only got 26,000 miles on a 350 small block crate engine. The outside is pink and the inside is blue. Pretty wild, right? It's been worked on a lot, but still needs a bit more love. No title, but it comes with a clean bill of sale. This one's great if you're into fixing up cool old rides. For more details, link is given in the description. Moving on to a 1977 Chrysler Cordoba priced at $5,500. This one's all original, paint, body, even the window sticker is a true piece of history. People loved this car back in the day because of how smooth and fancy it felt. You can ask for pictures and videos if you're interested. For more details, link is given in the description. Up next is a real gem, a 1975 Mercedes-Benz 230 for $5,800. This is a one-owner car with only 62,000 miles. Everything is original and well taken care of, from the engine to the sunroof. The seller even has papers from when the car was brand new. It runs smooth, has new brakes and tires, and is just waiting for a new driver. It's located in Queens, New York, and it's pickup only. For more details, link is given in the description. If you want something a little newer but still classic, check out the 1994 Cadillac Eldorado for $6,000. It only has 36,000 miles and has been garage kept its whole life. It's a one-owner car that looks and feels luxurious. It's got a powerful V8 engine and rides super smooth. This one's perfect for someone who wants a reliable, classy car without spending a fortune. For more details, link is given in the description. Last but not least, we've got a 1974 milligrams BGT for $6,000. This one's a fun little British sports car with a 1.8-liter engine and a 4-speed manual. It's not perfect, but it runs great and is fun to drive. It even has seats from a Mazda Miata, but the original ones come with it too. If you love classic sporty cars, this might be the one for you. For more details, link is given in the description. So there you have it. 7 amazing classic cars that won't break the bank. Which one's your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome car finds. Oncoming Automobile Fire.